What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Eves. First and foremost, man, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I normally post beats on this page, but today I'm doing something totally different. What we finna do today is basically a how-to, do it yourself, whatever you want to call it, video. I'm basically teaching my FL gang members how to add their drum kits on the FL Studio. So with that being said, let's get straight into this jump. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your zip file, whether you got it for free, whether you bought that joint, whether you pirated it, you took it from somebody else's computer, whatever you did. You just want to go to that joint real quick, right click that joint, and then hit extract all, that button. See how I already got mine up here though, so I'm not finna do it again because I don't got that much space on this computer, so ain't no need for no extra files. We finna just double click the file that's already been extracted, double click it again, and then here originally you're gonna see all your files. They're gonna pop up, all the WAV files, and there's gonna be like a blue and white icon on the side here that says that's Groove Music. It's for my Windows 10 users, by the way. It's gonna say Groove Music on the side. What you want to do is you want to click that very first file, boom, and then hit open with, and then hit FL Studio Launcher. So right click, open with, and then FL Studio Launcher. You're gonna see Groove Music at the bottom. You don't want Groove Music though, you want FL Studio Launcher. Then you're gonna go ahead and click that joint, boom, and then all you gotta do after that is drag and drop them files in there, man. That's it. Now let me play it for y'all, so I know it's trill. And just like that, you got the files. And you know what I'm saying, some people gonna try to tell you that you gotta go to file settings and you gotta do all this extra stuff like setting the files up. You don't gotta do none of that. All you gotta do is just what I told you. Only thing is, if you want to be organized, you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead and hit file settings and set it up that way, just so you have organized files on the left hand side right here. But the way I do it is just quick and dirty, straight to the point. Drag and drop the files right onto the FL, and they show up in your sampler. They right there, ready to be used. With that being said, that's pretty much it. Give this like I said, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and you know, if there's another opportunity for me to post a video like this, a how-to video where I can help, you know what I'm saying, people out, I definitely will. Which is the main reason I posted this video, was just because I saw opening for it. But yeah, like I said, I normally post beats on this page, so go check out my other content on my page and hit that subscribe button. Deuce.